set on 5 glorious acres with an abundance of space and stylish colonial charm, this wonderful home offers wraparound verandas, access direct from every room for a seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Solid timber floors throughout add character and style, and open-plan living enhances the sense of space and light. The lovely Tassie oak kitchen features polished granite benchtops and European appliances, including a 5-burner gas cooktop and an electric oven. There's a study or home office and 4 spacious bedrooms. The guest bedroom features a built-in and a walk-in robe, and there's an ensuite and walk-in to the master. There are 2 bathrooms in total, including the spacious family bathroom. With a lovely outlook in every direction, the 5 acres are split into 4 paddocks, plus the feeding yard and night yards. There's also a 60 by 20 metre levelled horse arena, and with an old railway line on the back boundary, there's plenty of places to explore on horseback. The property has a large dam at the rear, which pumps water to the horse troughs, as well as a huge powered shed with shelves and a workbench. Also offering great fencing, a veggie patch, a garden shed and a chook pen. All this is just a few minutes from Jimboomba. To find out more, contact Steve Hodgson from Elders Real Estate.